Alright, it's Connor and Zoey's birthday. This is Connor's cake right here. Avengers with Captain America and Iron Man and a bunch of other dudes in the background here. And then this is Zoey's. She has the My Little Pony. Yeah, I think that one's Rainbow Dash with the rainbow on there, the blue one there. I don't know what the other one is. But that's their cakes. Connor is 5 today and Zoey is 4. So there's their decorations. Connor's got the Iron Man hand on the side there. Zoey's got the rainbow done by Big Sister. And then Connor's side's got spider webs on the top here. And then, whoa, look at that Captain America. He's right there. Oh, there's Thor right there too. Iron Man. There goes some My Little Pony. And look, Zoey's side's got rainbows. Rainbow streamers. Look at that. All done by Big Sister.
We're going to CZFunTime.
You guys ready to sing? Grandma and Grandpa in the back.
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Connor and Zoey. Happy birthday to you. All right, guys, blow it, Connor and Zoey. Whoa, whoa, yeah! Woo! Good job, guys. Good job. All right, present opening time. Go on, go. Whoa. Okay, what is it? What did you get? What did you get? What did you get? Wow! Zoey got Supergirl. Connor, who's that dude? That's a transformer. A remote control transformer. Wow, Supergirl X-ray vision. X-ray vision Supergirl. Whoa. Whoa, Connor, that dude's called Autobot Squeaks. Turn it around so I can see. Oh, cool. Nice present, Connor. Wow, what did you get on that, cutie? Play-Doh. Wow, Play-Dohs are always cool. Connor, what'd you get, dude? Whoa! The crocodile dentist. And a bunch of Target cards, gift cards. Holy smokes! Hand it over to mommy. Hand it over to mommy.
What the?
Whoa! What is that, cutie? What? Is it Bunchums? Oh, those are cool. Those are cool. Whoa, Connor. Whoa, Connor's got a drone or a mini airplane thing. Alright, open it up. See what you guys got. Connor and Zoey. This is from mommy and daddy, okay? What is that? What did you guys get? Connor, what is that? Oh, just a case? Those are for mommy, isn't it? Yeah, it's just for mommy. It's just a trick gift. Just a trick gift. Now open the other one out. You still like it? Okay, good job. Uh-oh, Zoey's got hers open. Connor's got his open. What is it, dude?
Whoa, okay.
What'd you guys get? You guys got iPads. You guys had iPads. That's for your cases, see? You got your cases there. You guys got both iPads. Alright? You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Connor, you like it? What are you gonna play on it?
Roblox?
Roblox? What about you, cutie? What are you gonna play on it? Wow, cool. Now you guys got your own, so you don't have to bother your big sister for theirs, right? Good job, man. And gal. Alright, cool. Alright. It's cake time. let's go have some cakes. Whoa, cutting the cakes. There they go. Connor's cake, Zoe's cake. You want your cake, cutie? Okay. Oh, I know what you want. You want the frosting, huh? This is the next day, and
iPad.
yeah, they're gonna open their iPads.
And then,
Who's excited to open their iPads? Yeah. All right. Well, let's do it then, huh, guys? Let's not wait any longer. Whoa. Well, cool. So, Connor, what color is your iPad cover? The iPad cover that you have? Green? How about you, Zoe? Pink? Oh, cool. Get the covers open. And then we'll get the iPad going, get it all set up. Right. Good job. I think I know the games you guys want to play.
yeah.
Yeah. Roblox. Yeah. You gonna play Minecraft? Minecraft and Roblox, okay. Whoa, just hold on, okay? We need to help you guys with that. Get it all set up,
I
alright?
can see myself in there.
Can you?
Yeah.
Let's
Oh,
see.
I got this.
Oh, I can almost see myself in there too. Oh yeah, I do see.
I got
Hey,
this.
hi! I'm waving, hi!
Hello, I got this.
Whoa, a little soft
my
styrofoam from your iPad. It's all set up. They got their apps on there. What are you guys playing right now?
Minecraft. I'm playing Roblox.
Oh, one's playing Minecraft, one's playing Roblox, huh?
Okay, I'm just gonna play.
I gotta change to Minecraft. Oh, hey, is the presents you guys got for your birthday really cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, Zoe, is that a good present?
Yeah. No, that's. Stop it! Okay, let's oh no. Oh no,
They're playing together, so they're so excited.
Yeah, you have to. Yay! Yay! Where are you? Oh, they are.
There you are.
No, I got some. How did you do that? Oh, I made it. Okay.
Man, you guys are pretty good with this game.
Yay! I got some too, Connor.
Alright guys, that's Connor and Zoe's new iPads. We'll see you next time, friends.
Bye.
Bye-bye.